A lingering issue from the Jerry Sandusky trial has dealt with media leaks, specifically involving one of Sandusky's attorneys. Been a series of court orders issued. The issues have gone to the state Supreme Court. Now there's a new response from the attorney that's bound to raise new questions. And with more on the story you'll only see here on 6 News, Gary Sinderson's in the Center County Newsroom. Gary?
Marty, this was a sidebar of sorts at the Sandusky trial, but it was an important factor. During the trial, after the trial began, one of Jerry Sandusky's adopted sons, Matt, sat down and met with police and prosecutors and gave them an interview in which he claimed he was also molested by Jerry Sandusky. That interview was eventually obtained by NBC News, which broadcast it after the trial. And the presiding trial judge was asking questions, who talked to who, in terms of media leaks. Those questions continue today, but now there's a new issue clouding the whole question because one of Sandusky's former attorneys, who apparently had a copy of that interview, is no longer an attorney. At the heart of the dispute is Carl Rominger, former co-counsel for Jerry Sandusky. During his trial, the trial judge, John Cleveland, had issued a protective order on keeping evidence secret unless it was already public or the judge approved its release. Once the Matt Sandusky interview was broadcast, Judge Cleveland was asking questions. Except Rominger didn't comply and felt the protective order didn't apply to him. He fought it to the Supreme Court, which ruled against him. A hearing was recently scheduled, and this week Rominger issued a reply. But now there's new questions, including will Rominger need his own attorney? Because we tracked down the records, and according to the state's legal disciplinary board, Rominger no longer has a law license. He was disbarred as of April 11th. Yet he wrote a legal filing dated May 1st. In the reply, Rominger claims the issue is no longer pertinent, but if he is forced to comply, he wants to keep it secret, seal the records. In his reply, Rominger says he just talked to a grand jury judge who is still in charge of the Sandusky case. In this new court filing this week, Rominger talks about working out a protocol, as he terms it, with the court, which may be the provisions on how he's continuing in this without having a law license. He's no longer an attorney. Two key factors about that Matt Sandusky interview: it was never played at trial. The jury never heard it, but it was such a key issue the defense team admitted it was the reason they never put Jerry Sandusky on the stand in his own defense. We're live in Center County. Gary Sinderson, 6 News.